What do cat videos have in common with hurricane warnings, or tracking a package, or finding your way to a party? They all use communications satellites. Meet me right back here in about, 5 seconds and I'll tell you more. Satellites do a lot of things for us in our modern day world. But as amazing as these spacecraft are, they're only part of a larger system of communication here on Earth. In fact, without a connection to the ground, they can't do much at all. They're just floating up there. Satellites receive and transmit voice, video, literally every kind of data, and they do it with the help of ground stations. Those stations are connected to, you guessed it, a ground network, sometimes called a terrestrial or fiber network. They receive that data from the ground network, turn it into a radio signal, and beam it up to a satellite. The satellite then amplifies that signal, makes it stronger, before beaming it back down to another location somewhere else in the world. This step of amplification is really important. Let's learn why from someone who knows a lot more about it.
So the signal that is sent up from the ground station towards the satellite is impacted by many forces that will degrade the signal. Some of the forces are a function of the distance from the ground station to the satellite, and other forces are atmospheric forces, things like rain and cloud cover, that will also contribute to degrading the signal. In any case, by the time the signal has reached the satellite, it will typically be significantly weakened. So, the satellite will amplify the signal and send it back as a strong signal that it can be received on the ground by an antenna, and the data that the signal is carrying can be accurately extracted from that signal.
And all these steps, the data traveling over the ground network to the ground station, the signal going up to the satellite, the amplification, and the signal coming back down somewhere else, all of that happens countless times a day, all over the planet. And it only takes a few seconds. That's amazing. Almost as amazing as cat videos. Almost.